This is an overview of the Gemmoprice platform. The interface is divided into three main areas: filters on the left, controls at the top, and results in the main section. On the left, you can select a gemstone category. Filters appear below and adapt to the selected gemstone. These filters allow you to refine your search using criteria such as weight, color, clarity, cut, and other options. At the top, you can select language and currency. You can also sort results by date, sold price, hammer price, or carat. Your account information is accessible from the top section. The main area displays auction results based on your selection. Each entry represents a real market transaction. The screen displays up to 8 results at a time, and scrolling allows you to access additional filtered results. At the bottom of the interface, an AI assistant is available to help you explore the database through natural language queries. This feature is currently in beta. Selected filters are displayed at the top of the results under Active Filters, allowing you to review and manage your current selection. You can also reset all filters at any time to return to the default view. You can now explore the platform and move to more detailed features.